And then 16 years later, she did this to her mother.
Skip to my Lou, my darling.
Hi guys, it's Lou. Today's video is on how my hair got this way. Earlier today I was filming myself hanging up these pictures for my other channel, and Ava offered to do something fun to my hair. Something fun. Anyway, here is what I did end up filming about the process, and the beginning has no sound, which is not needed when I'm doing stuff, but I just thought in case anyone wanted to see how this happened, and Ava exhibiting what can only be described as elder abuse. If anything ever happens to me, please show the police this video. Here it is. Ava's gonna do my hair today. What is it?
Pink hair dye.
Okay. What is that? It's familiar.
Dreams.
Dreams. Let me change my shirt.
Okay. Should I mix it up for you?
Yeah, mix it up. Does it go on dry hair?
Yeah. All hair dye does. This is Arctic Fox in the shade Electric Paradise. Have a look.
I brought...
Uh-oh.
What?
It's in my hair.
I thought that's where you put it. I'm only gonna let Ava do the crown of my hair because this stuff right here is so dark that I think you'd be wasting it. This is a lot, honey. How much conditioner do you put in here? So this is dark pink, and Ava has used it on her hair a couple of times.
It just doesn't look that pink. It's really pink.
It really doesn't look that pink.
Oh.
Oh, that's not enough though, is it? That's it.
Let's get started.
Okay. You're so rough. Here, I brought this. I have this. These are horrible.
Why does your hair hurt so much?
Because you're violent. It looks like a pretty color now. Kind of. Ah, Jesus, woman.
Hold this.
How about you let me do that?
Ow!
You're evil.
Your little
You don't
hair.
want to brush it? Okay, I parted on this side.
Oh, goodness gracious.
There.
Me oh my. I don't even paint it on, I use my hands.
Okay.
Everybody's gonna yell at me in the comments and say she's stupid, but she's doing it.
Honey, they've never said anything mean. Except that lipstick video, they were mean to both of us.
They said that I was ugly.
Babe, those are 10-year-olds.
He said her daughter ugly.
Please.
And I said, thanks. You are too, butthole.
Yeah, butthole.
You're silly.
How long does this stay in?
An hour.
What?
Mm-hmm.
Are you getting my roots and stuff?
Yes.
Excuse me, you forgot a piece.
I have barely started, lady. Can you put my bang
Behind your
somewhere
ear.
else? It's vegan.
Oh yeah, let's talk about it. It's Arctic Fox vegan. I think that's plenty.
Mm-mm.
All right.
Let me massage it in a little more. What do you think of this?
It's like Monica.
It's your fontanelle.
Oh. Okay, just leave it as a bun on my hair, right?
Mm-hmm.
There you go.
Alright.
Okay. So that's it. I think in my mind, pink hair is a lot more pastel and soft. And I think for that you need really, really blonde or white hair. As you can see, the most bleached part of my hair got the most pink. But even then, I think it's a little bit of a darker pink. I would have liked the pink to be like these glasses, very pale. I don't know whether or not I would have let Ava do whatever she wanted to my hair unless I knew I wasn't going to be seeing people anytime soon outside of my own house. But then again, I don't know that I care that much. What else should we talk about so this video is not, you know, so boring? And here's the sticky bottle. Ava used Arctic Fox, and I'd heard about this brand of hair color before. What I didn't know is that it's vegan, and it's conditioning for your hair, cruelty-free, semi-permanent hair color. Semi-permanent just means that when I wash it, it will come right out. Probably 2 shampoos, which would be, I don't know, 10 days? Ew. It actually looks like when I dyed my hair red with Madison Reed stuff, except I think that looked better. I guess dark pink and ash blonde hair makes orange. No peroxide, no ammonia, no ethyl alcohol, and no PPD. PPD. Pandemic pink dye. That's the color of my hair, pandemic pink. Anyway, you guys, feel free to leave a comment down below. Make it anything. What's been going on for the last couple of days? Anything exciting? The most exciting thing I have to say for me is not this. It's actually, I hung new drapes in my living room. How boring is that? I hope you guys enjoyed today's video on letting my kid make my hair pink. If you did like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't already subscribed but would like to be, please hit that button down below and you'll see me very soon with more videos. Bye guys.